Human rights. Human rights are rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or any other status. Human rights include the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work and education, and many more. Human rights are a set of principles concerned with equality and fairness. They recognize our freedom to make choices about our lives and to develop our potential as human beings. They are about living a life free from fear, harassment, or discrimination. All human rights are equally important. They are all dependent on each other. The violation of one right often leads to the violation of another right. There is no hierarchy among human rights. They are universal because everyone is born with and possesses the same rights, regardless of where they live, their gender or race, or their religious, cultural, or ethnic background. Human rights are needed to protect and preserve every individual's humanity, to ensure that every individual can live a life of dignity and a life that is worthy of a human being. Human rights have become much more protected around the world. Human rights are much better protected than they were 100 or 200 years ago. In the late 18th century, human rights were poorly protected. A right is a choice to make your own opinion and entitlement to things such as education, religion, and freedom of speech. Responsibilities are duties or something an individual should do, such as following the law and rules. Organizations and governments concerned with human rights provide access to schooling, supplies, and more in order to halt the cycle of poverty. Seeing education as a right means everyone can get access, not just the elite. Human rights are basic rights that belong to all of us simply because we are human. They embody key values in our society such as fairness, dignity, equality, and respect. They are an important means of protection for us all, especially those who may face abuse, neglect, and isolation.